Quickly cook and retherm food in delis, quick service restaurants, prep stations, nurses' stations, and more with this 3000-watt microwave from Amana. The unique energy distribution method distributes heat evenly throughout the cavity, cooking as many as 3 dozen baked potatoes an hour. The unit can store 100 programmable menu items, streamlining training for new hires and ensuring consistency across batches, and operators can implement menu alterations across chains thanks to the ACP programming app and USB connectivity. For easy maintenance, the air filter protects electronic components and removes for cleaning, while the interior borosilicate tray reduces plate-to-shelf edge impact and keeps spills contained. Call our customer care team or visit ktom.com to add an Amana microwave to your kitchen lineup today.